This is FlushTech. Let's get started. To fix this, we are using a tool called HD Video Converter Factory Pro. I've dropped a link in the description to save you a click. Download the free version, run the setup, and let's get into the software. This app is essentially a Swiss Army knife for media files. It handles screen recording, downloading, converting, and many others, but today, we are focusing on its core strength, fixing broken video formats. Click the converter option. You can manually add files, but I prefer just dragging and dropping the broken video right into the timeline. If you have a decent PC, you can actually drag in an entire batch of videos and convert them all at once. Now, let's fix the compatibility issue. Click the Output Format menu on the right. For maximum compatibility across Windows, Premiere Pro, or CapCut, I highly recommend selecting either MP4 or MKV. You can even choose device-specific profiles like Samsung or Apple if you're exporting for a phone. Since my source video is already 4K, I'm keeping the resolution as is. But if you are working with older footage, this software has a built-in upscaler. You can bump a 720p clip up to 2K or even 4K. It will give you a much larger file size, but as you can see from this quick comparison, it cleans up the footage nicely and is definitely worth testing out. Before you hit run, check your summary. If you have a dedicated GPU, make sure hardware acceleration is checked. Video conversion usually takes a massive amount of time, but utilizing your GPU and enabling the Hyper engine will drastically speed up the render. Hit run. Keep your PC plugged in, let it do its thing, and once it's done, you can open your export folder. And just like that, the video plays flawlessly on Windows. If you want to add this tool to your workflow, the team at WonderFox actually hooked up the channel with a massive discount. If you use the link below and enter the promo code FlushTech at checkout, you will get a full lifetime license for the price of a standard 1-year subscription, plus an extra $5 off. It's a great deal for an all-in-one media tool, so check it out. If this video helped you fix your file issues, drop a like and subscribe. And speaking of making Windows run better, Microsoft is bringing some major performance increases in the next update. Click this video right here to see exactly what you need to know. See you there!